Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the LCM of 6, 72 and 100 using prime factorization method. In this method we divide numbers using prime numbers and find the factors of the number. And after finding the factors we can find the LCM by taking the product of the factors of the number. Let's start dividing 6, 72 and 100. All these numbers are even numbers, so we can divide by 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 3 is 6. 1 is remainder. This becomes 12. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 0 is 0. Again we are going to use 2 to divide the numbers. 3 is a prime number. It is not fully divisible by 2. So we are going to write it as is. 2 times 1 is 2, 1 is remainder, this becomes 16, 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 2 is 4, 1 is remainder, this becomes 10, 2 times 5 is 10. Now we are going to use 3 to divide the numbers. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 6 is 18 and 25 is not fully divisible, so we'll write it as is. Next we are going to use 2 to divide 6. This is fully divided. We are going to write 1 here. 2 times 3 is 6. 25 is not fully divisible by 2, so we are going to write it as is. Now we are going to use 3 to divide 3. 3 times 1 is 3 and 25 is not fully divisible. We are going to write it as is. Now 25 is divisible by number 5. This is 1, this is 1. 5 times 5 is 25 and 5 is a prime number. It is only divisible by number 5. 5 times 1 is 5. So now all the numbers are fully divided. Finding the LCM, we are going to take the product of all the numbers which are on the left hand side of the ladder. So LCM will be 2 times 2 times 3 times 2 times 3 times 5 times 5. So 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12, 12 times 2 is 24, 24 times 3 is 72 and 72 times 25 is 1800. So the LCM of the three numbers is 1800. So this is how we can find the LCM of any number using prime factorization method. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.